ikaw din ay nangako na hindi ka tatakbo, di ba? I know
Yes.
sinagot mo na to, but kailangan ko lang ulit tanungin. You went back, hindi mo, you didn't honor your word also to your vice mayor back then, na naniwala na nasa kanya na ang mayoral post at hindi ka na babalik.
Tama naman yun. In fact, alam din niya eh. Alam niya yung mga schedules namin eh. That I'm retired. She knows it. In fact, I told him so many times. Trying to give her data as a matter of concern at malasakit sa kanya. Kaya lang talagang hindi niya kinaya yung mga nakapalibot na congressman. She were made to believe that she's doing okay. And those people, yung mga congressman na yun, ano naman yun eh, personal interest lang naman ang gusto nung mailigtas ang ulo nila. My concern is the people of Manila. I asked the people of Manila to vote for you. At some level, whether it is small, I don't know how you sukatin, no? Yung kung paano mo susukatin. I said you are a good mayor. And you did not. Anong mukha naman ang iharap ko sa mga taga-Maynila na ipinagpariwara ko sila?
So you were, how would it be right to say you were very disappointed with the performance?
Yes.
Very disappointed,
Yes.
ganon?
Yes.